All right. What's up, everyone? Dre Trades, and I'm live. This is a different kind of video because I have a guest. There she is right there. That's girlfriend.
Hello.
So we're gonna read some charts really quick. And because she is standing, so we can't do a long video. So we're gonna just reach some charts. I'm basically gonna do my thing with her in the background, and then I'm gonna ask her some questions. Now she doesn't know a lot about stocks, so and that's why I say, what's the name of this video? Stock charts made easy. I guess I should look at you this way. Okay. Her in the background. Well, turn that off.
Does that hear me?
Now, she doesn't know a lot. So yeah, that's how we're gonna do. All right, I'm trying to share, so give me a minute. And you and oops, and feel free to share yourself. Here it goes. Oh,
let me get my phone.
oh, she's gone.
Come on, guys. I can share myself.
All right, there we go. Are you finished sharing yet? So what's up, everyone? Let me look at the
Okay, let me tell everyone.
the market really quick. That's what's going on. Kind of a shitty day. I told you recently that I haven't really been feeling the market, and I thought today was going to be a little different, just the way the averages opened up on the high side finally, and then it kind of was going high. I was like, maybe this was the turnaround. And nope. Right about noon, 11:30, the collapse. It's just like there's a whole bunch of selling going on in front of us. You know, look here. And all right, so get rid of that. Hold on. There we go. Go back to the yard. Okay, so here we go. So this is what's happening. The Dow, even though we sold off like that, I don't know how high it was because I haven't really been watching, but we're still positive, except for the S&P, it's negative. And then if you look at the heat map, you know what this is, babe?
The heat map.
Do you know what the biggest company on this heat map is?
Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Google.
Why you say that?
Because they're big.
That's right. The bigger the square, the bigger the market cap, right? So what's the biggest company in the S&P 500? The biggest.
What is S&P 500?
That's this.
Oh,
that's all the company. Yeah.
Apple.
All right. That's see how easy this is. And that's how you read the heat map for the most part. But the big boys are down today. They generally trade in tandem. Cashmatic, what's up? Yeah, of course. Yeah. Oh, okay. I got Deborah's girls up in here. AL Beauty. Thanks for checking in. Buy the dip will rip. I tell you what, Cashmatic, it's just been dipping, right? The dip is still dipping, but I still believe that we're going higher. I have a feeling that once that stimulus is approved, I think it's next week they talking about approving it. I think then maybe the market might turn around. I don't know, but I don't know. It's just kind of weak. It's just weak. So it's all the rips are being sold, and I'm waiting for us to kind of have one of them powerful days that we was having forever last year. Seems like the bears are kind of just in control. So we're just gonna look at some charts real quick and see what's going on. And as you can see, I got Deborah's in the house. Hey, you know, she brought all her people. See, she does makeup. And she's able to bring more people to watch my stock videos, and they know nothing about stocks than the people that watch my stock videos and know about stocks. Where you guys at? Come on, I need more people than her. Anyway, hey, Danielle God's. Okay, she subscribed to me today. I saw you. Thank you for subbing, and thanks for coming in on the live. You know, you said no one knows me. Now I do.
There's Mary.
Action donated 100. Hey, y'all. Okay. Hey, Mary. What's up? Yeah, I've been trying to get her to get on the videos for the longest, and she's finally here. You know why? Because I was on her live, so she feels like she owes me one. I want to know about stocks, though. All right, so we're gonna talk about stock charts real quick, and so that's the market, right? And I figured, I was like, this is a good time we're just going to talk about different sectors. And I know some of this might be confusing. And I'm going to have her read it because I really think a lot of people look into the stock. I got the screen up and I think a lot of people look into the charts too hard. I think they make it too difficult. And if you notice when you watch me that I kind of simplify it, I just like, look, man, I don't got a lot of shit on my screen, right? So we're going to clear some of this. Well, I can't clear that up. Yeah, I can. Hold on. Let me see if I can drag this over here.
I can't see the comments.
Detach.
How do you know?
Put this right here. There we go. How do I know what?
I'm reading the comment, babe.
That one?
I'm just reading.
But you're right. I don't know. All right. So let me make us little again. And we're already there in the corner. And we're going to start with EVs. And I'm pulling up the weekly. I like to use weeklies because I trade kind of longer term. And weeklies, weekly charts give you better direction, takes all of that volatility out, smooths it out. And it's monthlies even smooth it out a little more. But, my favorite is the weeklies. I just lost there it is. Okay. So this is the Drive ETS, the autonomous EV ETF, right? So electronic trading fund, I believe. It's like a mutual fund, but you could trade it 24 hours a day instead of end of day like mutual funds. Well, anyway, is that going up or down? Is this something you want to get in?
It's going up.
Yeah? Why?
Mm-hmm. Because you see the...
Go ahead, speak louder. Get up in this mic.
You can see the what you call uptrend.
There you go.
Yeah.
For the most part, it's that simple. It's a little volatile here at the top. It's kind of looking toppy, but maybe
Candles.
Yeah, it's got some red up there. It wasn't a lot of red kind of in this area, so it might go sideways a little bit. But if you look at these moving averages, I got the blue one. Look at the purple one. What is that? Sideways. She's talking rated R in my ear, y'all. Anyway, you see everything is going up. So for the most part, it's going up. Let's look at another one, the IBB. Right, this is the biotech ETF. I got a lot of shit on here, so we'll clean it up real quick. And up or down?
Right now, it's going up.
Right, it's going up.
Yeah.
It's really this simple. It's volatile. Right, you see some chop in here, but for the most part, the trend is going up. It's been going up since about the third quarter last year? What is this, October? Right, just going up the fourth quarter. Right, moving averages up. You got the price over both moving averages. That's perfect. That's perfect. It's volatile, but it's moving up. How about this one? This is the IYR. This is the real estate ETF. I got a lot of. I got to clear all my drawings out, but it's all right. Where are we going with that?
All right. So it dropped and then now it's headed back up. But, it looks like it's headed back up, but there's a little red candle thingy right there.
But you see those like...
It's not as big as the green
candle.
Right.
But for the most part, you see those trends?
It's going up.
Yeah. So here was the top of COVID, the beginning of COVID right there. And it's slowly heading up that way. We'll probably hit resistance right there at the double top part. That's where I see. I mean, if it's already this high, it's gonna reach the... Yeah. Is that that might be the all-time high. Maybe not. Yeah, that'll be the all-time high. I say we get there. If you look at this monthly all the way since 2008, it's just been up. Yeah. You could actually put your money in here. It's a rough ride, no doubt. It also pays a dividend, but it's going up. You would have had made money as long as you didn't sell anywhere after the real estate crash in 2008 till now. Even after the COVID crash, you're up there. All right, so let's go to the next chart. What's that one going to be? Danielle says, Deborah.
Oh.
What are you using for the SMA? Yeah, I'm using simple moving averages. I like the 9. That's the blue one. And the 20. That's the purple one. I do play them as far as overall trend up. I like to play the crossovers as well. So when the 9 crosses the 20, it's a little caution. You can see that right here, right here, crossed over. And look, if you'd have got out there, well, actually, look, the crossover happened too late. That crash was so fast in March. You blinked, man. Unbelievable. But I like looking at planning for the crossover, but I like it. I like the moving averages. So the 9 and 20. Oh, I know what I was gonna say. I'm stumbling over my words. You have to find which two work for you. Some people use the 50 and the 200. Those are the popular ones. Some people use, I think, the 10 and the 20 or something. I came up with the 9 and 20, and I've been playing with it, and I like it. I like the 9 and 20. It works for me. But there it is. It's just simple. You said Amazon is trading at criminal levels. But you know what? Let's look at Amazon. What do you think? See, that's a tougher one.
Yeah, it's just going straight.
How about if I pull up the monthly?
Oh, it's going up.
Okay. You see, you change time frames. And you can say, hey, the stock's going up. It's just a pause, right? Just a pause. Mm-hmm. It's just a pause. Sideways action is good. Y'all know that from watching my channel. We love the sideways action. I'm trying to see if you can see her blush. All right. Anyway, so this is the time that you could be loading up on Amazon, getting ready for the next leg higher. It's coming. It happened here in 2018 to what the hell year is this? 2019. It moved sideways for 5 quarters, so almost a year and a half. So will it happen here? I don't know, but you see what happened. Look at that move, went from 2,000 to 3,200, or actually all the way up to 3,500. So that was a great move. Patience, having patience, it paid off. It paid off to have that patience. So I think this is a good time to get in, just to kind of, you could dollar cost average in that Amazon, get those fractional shares going, and dollar cost average up in there. What else did you say? You said it's borderline robbery. No, you make some money on there. You make that money on Amazon, and it pays for your Amazon Prime just by owning the stock. All right, let's do another one. Let's do another sector, and that's going to be the Jets. That's my favorite team, babe.
I already know.
Mm-hmm. All right, so this is all the airlines for the most part. An ETF combined with a lot of airlines. Where do you think we're going with that? I'll pull up the weekly like we have been, and I'll clear out all my charts. But by you looking at my chart, you can see what's happening. But
well, I mean, it looks like it's going up.
There you go.
But I don't understand how any of this is going up.
You know what? I don't understand that either. Damn, I turned around and you look good.
Thank you, babe.
All right.
Normally we would have kissed.
Yeah. Oh, I don't even have us on screen. All right. Yeah, so maybe she shouldn't be on a lot. I won't be able to concentrate. Anyway, it's going up. And so you see what's happening with the market now, say it looks tired and stuff. These stocks, these ETFs are showing that everything is okay, that is going up. We'll pull up the SPY at the end. All right, so let's even though it's just tired. I don't know what the hell's going on. PEJ. This is what I've been pushing with Booking and Expedia, and you could see why I'm talking about Booking and Expedia, because this is the leisure and entertainment fund, and look how strong that chart is going. Therefore, my Booking and Expedia should be just fine. Look at that. That's the month. That's the weekly. Look at that monthly. It's going straight up. It reminds me of the small caps not too long ago. It's looking good. By the way, let's pull up Booking real quick. Up 33 points today. See, it's breaking, right? Breaking the about to hit that all-time high. Breaking out right there. That's what I was talking about. Expedia, who reported earnings, and it was terrible, and now it's all-time highs right there. So how do I find those? How do I find those? Well, I pull up things like the PEJ, okay, and I say, wow, this thing is ripping. What stocks are in the PEJ? And I pull up the best ones, right? So there you go. It's really that simple. Look at the volume coming in. Those sticks down there, volume. That's no, these right here, they kind of, it's volume, and shows you everybody that's kind of interested. It's getting hot. So I got hello dudes, I like your show. When will the dollar collapse? I never mess around. I don't know nothing about the dollar. I'll be honest. I know the UUP in ETF, Ugh, goodness gracious. How about today? You said when will the dollar collapse? You can see I looked at it before. I got the trend line here. It's broke. That's not looking good at all. So there you have it. I don't really. I tell you what's good though, when the dollar's weak, multinational companies like McDonald's and 3M, companies like that, Honeywell, yeah, when they convert those dollars back from foreign dollars back to us, it's like a lot of money. So that's a way to play that. That's the only way I know how to play the dollar. I'm not that educated, when I just read these charts. But look at that. That's pretty. This is pretty simple, but that's bad. That's because this is a multi-year trend line. All right, it started way over here in 2014, and it's finally breaking it. Wow. So we'll see what happens. Sometimes it's a fake out, right? Sometimes it's a fake out. All right. So Cashmatic said all small cap stocks are moving. Yeah. Amazon, yeah, just be patient with it. It's gonna move. It's gonna move. You're in the right trade. Dr. M, is that one of your people? Oh, you're on Periscope. No one ain't. What's up, Dr. Max Feldman? What stocks are we trading? Well, I'm just kind of going over the ETFs, the major sectors that's in the S&P 500, plus some that I like throwing it in there. And we're just kind of looking at them for the most part because she doesn't know anything about stocks and charts. And I'm just we're just looking at it, trying to make it simple as possible to decide which way it's going because it's really that simple. I'm just really trying to prove a point. I'm just trying to prove a point. All right. So we did this a long time ago in Dre Trades 1. Remember that, mate?
Yeah.
Yeah, we did. Let's pull up the Qs. The tech stock, NASDAQ 100. How's that one? What do you think?
It's gonna keep going up.
Keep going up, she says. I think so. Who knows? By the way, when we had all-time highs, there's no resistance, right? There's no resistance. So who knows when it's going to pull back? There's nothing to say. You just don't know. You know what I mean? So you'd be cautious, but it could go up forever, right? They say stocks, something could longer than solvent. You'll know that saying. Stocks could remain irrational longer than you can remain solvent, something like that. So it will break you waiting for that pullback. You might not ever get it, right? So I tell you what, we're just going to do a simple stock thing. I'm going to clear all of this out. This is very important because I just seen it with my eyes. All right. This stock pattern right here, right? Leg 1, and this is leg 2, and this leg is generally as long as that first leg. Mm-hmm. Right? Oh, yeah, it's a pattern, right? So look at that. So it still has a lot of room to run if that pattern works out. So all right, let's get back to business. See what we got. How about the SOX semiconductor index? Maybe I should pull up the SMH. A lot of people is trading that. What do you think? I'm gonna go a little. It's going up too. It's going up. Let's go to the next one, which is XBD, broker dealers. Wow, look at that. Straight up there. Yeah, she said not up, but straight up. XLF. That's the financials.
But isn't that considered choppy?
It's choppy, but not as of late.
It's still going up.
Yeah, and it's a new high going up hard. Going up. Let me keep this G rated. All right. Anyway, what's the next one? Couple more. XLI, the industrials. I really like this one because not only did it break out, it's going sideways, right? It's pausing it broke out, it checked back to the breakout point. So I think it goes a lot higher. That's the industrials. And then the next one. Oh, you were supposed to do that. Here's one. What do you think about that, babe? The utilities.
Hold on. Well, it never reached the all-time high. It never went back up.
Is it going up or down?
It is. I think it's about to go down.
So do I. See, that's good. Look at the moving average crossover right there. See that? Oh man. I'm telling you, this is that easy. You see the crossover, you see this, it's weak. How is this compared to the other charts that we was looking at?
Well, it was a confident upturn.
Right. Everything was really hot. Like, are you making money if you're having your money in utilities here? No, you're not making any money. Right. So that's actually kind of good for stocks because people are bailing on utilities are like a safe haven for the most part. So if they're not putting their money here, maybe they putting it in more risky stuff. Right. So that's the utilities. And yeah, that's a good one. So everything is rocking except for the utilities. How about the metals and mining? Like letter X, that's US Steel. What do you think?
Well, it's going to go up.
And she says it's going to go up. And I agree. Letter X, I always think letter X, US Steel. Let's look at the chart. It had a pullback lately, but today is strong, up 4%. I actually think this is a nice bottom. I think you can actually get in right there. Right. This is a trade, y'all. This is a trade. And then you can stop out right there. This is perfect entry for this thing to go higher. And we saw what the sector does, right? We saw the metals and mining. So the current is going the right way, right? So US Steel might participate and head higher. It did pull serious pullback. Anyway, the other one, it's like Nucor, right? Nucor is a little better than US Steel. There's that. All right, so there is the video. We lost some people.
Did we?
Yeah, we started off good. Now we're down to 6. So anyway, that's the video. I know she's been standing back there for a while. So I want to thank everyone for coming in. Dr. Max Feldman, first time saying your name. Come to the YouTube channel and subscribe, man. I appreciate you. And everyone that came over from Deborah's Facebook, thanks for coming over. Appreciate y'all, man. Holding it down over here, showing support for Deborah. Cashmatic, of course, and Steel Stocks Cardboard. Thanks for coming in here. Tamuski, that guy. Danielle, thanks for subscribing today. No one knows. Yeah, you said actually, I don't know what that is. And Mary, and thanks, Mary. Thanks. Nice to see you back in the video as well. All right. So thank everybody for watching. Hope you like this video. It's a little fun, bring the girlfriend in and show, looking at stocks and looking at charts. Really. So bottom line is just don't make it that hard. Don't make it difficult. Really don't make it difficult, and keep your charts on the weeklies and monthlies, the longer term frame. So the longer time frame. So if you see you buy something and it's going down, just if you're confident in that longer time frame, it'll come back too. All right, so thanks for watching, y'all. This is Dre Trades. I'm on Twitter and Instagram, and you are on.
I'm on Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram.
Well, how do I find you?
The Jewelry Box.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Oh yeah, you can find me on Facebook. The Jewelry Box Live.
All right. The Jewelry Box Live on Facebook. All right. Thanks for watching, everyone. See y'all. Peace.